Hello friends, subscribe my channel. You got describe a house or apartment you could like to live in. You should say what it is like, where it could be, why you could be like to live in this house or apartment. How do you feel about this house and apartment? Let's start. People all over the world share a common desire to someday own a huge, well appointed primary residence. As I do not want to face any difficulties in the comfort of my own home, I could like to acquire a pretty sizable elevated home. I have a dream that one day I will own an apartment in a high rise building that it will be exquisitely designed and have every facility and amenities that I have ever imagined having in my very own home. Ever since I was a child, all of the residents of the building will have the access to the advanced security system, play area, swimming pool, and fitness care that will be included in my new home. Thanks for watching my video.